Guys, welcome back to another video. This is the first video you see my face. Welcome, my name is Stella, mom of three. Me and my family we live for Torino, Italy. So guys, welcome back to another video. I did my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. So guys, today's video I want to cook delicious Versace Obgono soup. Yes, you know what I talk. Versace Obgono soup. Yeah guys, I want to prepare dinner for my family. Why not? Now so I take una along. Okay, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Okay, trust me when I say this Obgono na the best. May I introduce my ingredients to una. Okay, yeah, so guys, this is not the Obgono. I don't already blend them. Yeah, so I don't already blend them. So this now pepper and onions and crayfish, a lot of crayfish. Okay, now they yeah, I don't already blend that. So because I don't want to make this video too long, I just prepare everything down. So this now red oil. Okay, now meat. When I go dey use this meat, I cook them, then I can roast them for oven. Yeah, I dey like to grate my meat. Yes, if you know, you know. I dey like to grate my meat. I don't like to leave them for soup like that, especially Obgono. So I dey like to grate them. So this now mackerel fish. I don't grate this one also. Yeah, so I just leave them inside first. So if I want to use them, I'll bring them out. Stock. Yeah, so this day inside. Yeah, a lot of stock fish. Yeah, they inside, like it plenty well. Yeah, because this is not a big pot of Obgono soup. Yeah, I want you to cook plenty so that at least it will last us. So this now stock fish, so it dey inside. Yeah, I boil them together with the goat meat. Then I can bring the goat meat come out. Then I can put them for inside oven. Okay, because the stock fish is strong well. I don't say by now it will don't dey soft. So guys, right now I will put the goat meat now. So guys, the goat meat I no use oil. Okay, I no use oil. So guys, I'll just add them like this. Then I will stir. Onions and crayfish, I'll put them inside. So I'll rinse the blender. I'll just rinse the blender, put them. So guys, I seasoning this meat stock, they well seasoning. So at this point I'm not gonna add anything now. Okay, until later when I will taste for seasoning and salt. So I'm not gonna add anything now. Okay guys, so right now I will cover them. Yeah,